Hey everyone, I came across an article online about a historical mansion in Galveston, Texas that was built in 1890, 135 years ago. I worked on a security project for this Galveston mansion, so I would like to take the chance to give you a closer look at the design and features of this mansion. Here's what I recorded, starting from the outside and making our way through the front door. Now let's take a look inside. Here's the bedroom, built in 1890. Here's the kitchen, renovated a few years ago. Here's the backyard and pool area. Click the link below and subscribe to my channel. Go to my playlist, Historic 1890 Mansion in Galveston, Texas, to explore every corner. Explore this mansion in 360. Swipe left, right, up, or down to see every angle beyond your screen.